So hi everyone, let us discuss the architecture diagram for our project. So when the WhatsApp user chat with our bot and respond back to the message, then the Twilio sandbox receive this message and convert it in the post request and send it to the webhook endpoint, which is post slash webhook slash Twilio, and it acts as a conversational handler and making CUD operations. Basically, this request will uh, reach to the ngrok. So ngrok act as a ngrok exposes the public https endpoint because fast API backend is running locally on a server, so Twilio cannot access this localhost server. So we use ngrok so that the localhost backend API endpoint, which is webhook Twilio, should be exposed to the public. So ngrok acts as a reverse proxy here, and then the request hit the backend, and then the data is stored in Postgres, and then there's a conversational state to check whether the user left in between the chat or the chat is completed or not. Then and then after that the backend send back the request to the Twilio and in the form of 2i XML, and then Twilio send this request to the WhatsApp user. At the same time, the front end gets updated as we have exported the localhost API endpoint for the get method as slash API slash reviews, and for every review it's get the form re-renders and review will be shown. That's all for the architecture diagram explanation. From the screencast, we have seen that we have received the review from the user by talking with our bot on the WhatsApp, and where Twilio Sandbox act as a gateway between our WhatsApp user and our frontend. Let us just check whether the review is submitted at our backend, and we are able to fetch the review at the front end. So as you can see at my front end running at 3000 port, we are able to fetch the review. You can see here I have submitted the review. Phone is awesome and features are good for the product iPhone 15, and the timestamp also there, which is 22:40 minutes at the date 2011. I have fields user product review and timestamp. Let us check at the backend where thus we are able to make a get request to this endpoint and it returned all the reviews. So yeah, you can see it has returned the review which we recently submitted, that phone is awesome and features are good. Let us also just check whether the review is submitted to the Postgres or not. So I will do just run shell and run the query, select extra form reviews. So yeah, you can see I'm able to get the query result, which is phone is awesome and features are good. Also the timestamp with the fields, content number, username, product name, ID, etc. Thank you.